Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So late shipping warnings on Etsy. Just go ahead and fix your processing times, or time basically. So your processing time on Etsy tells buyers how long you need before shipping an order. All you're gonna do to fix all of this is go through the shop manager as usual. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through it. We're gonna go through these steps. We're gonna make it fast, easy as possible. Let's get started. So, first and first, if you are using an Android, iOS, it's totally fine. Just go through the app, make sure you are running the latest update. Go through Etsy, the normal stuff, log in, and follow my steps. For me, I'm just gonna go through Etsy.com, log in here so I can access my shop manager. After this, I'm gonna go look for settings, shipping settings. Then open my shipping profile. Find the processing time, then choose the number of business days you need. Then tap on save. Now your listings will show accurate ships in estimates. As for like a bonus tips, underestimation your risk late shipment penalties. Increase processing time during busy seasons as well. Then faster processing can improve conversions. So keep in mind that if you are using the app, you just have to follow the steps that I told you on this web version or this website. Just go through your app, log in using your email address and password, go through the shop manager there, then go through the options, shipment settings, and change whatever you want. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.